What's going on, YouTube and the world that's around us? Welcome back to the Cuts by Reggie channel. We are back today with another review of a great trim. Give me 1 second. 1 second. This is getting out of hand. I guess it's the perfect time to, let me get this right. I guess it's the perfect time to review the 22 Stinger from Caliber. Of course, you got your package. Package is good if you like Caliber's package. As you can see, these blades is cutting through my thick hair. I don't even know if y'all can hear me, but it's cutting through just fine. It's Caliber. While we're here, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, comment on the video, like the video, share the video, and all that good stuff. And all that good stuff. I know you might be asking, you know, why is it so hard to see if I'm just doing a bald head? Because even though you're doing a bald head, you still got to keep the bald head right. I heard a lot of people say it's hard to mess up a bald head. I've seen it happen. Oh, I've seen it happen. So, I guess I'm gonna do this review kind of in reverse. Usually I start with the accessories and stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and let you know about the actual machine. When you get the machine, you see the design, nice little design, thick design, smooth, right? Only problem with the design that I have is that when it's turned on, there's no LED indicator. A lot of companies should start working on an LED indicator. You know, let us know when they dying, or just put something nice down there, you know? I ain't gonna put no line on my beard. I don't like doing my own beard. I can, I have, I've done a video on it. I don't like to. Could I enter this into like a self-cut challenge if it's a bald head? I mean, it's me cutting my own hair. So technically, it's a self-cut, right? It's a self-haircut challenge. Book me, baby. My shavers now. I like to use the wall finales. That's just me. I'm not saying you got to. That's what I like to use. Give y'all a secret, right? It ain't really a secret, it's just something. When y'all doing bald heads, whether you're doing your own bald head or you're doing somebody else's bald head, whether you're using the shaver, whether you're using a razor, make sure you're pulling the skin that you own, all right? You pull the skin, make sure, especially with the shavers, right? Or with the razor, like I said, but you pull that skin, make sure you get them extra stubbles. Them extra stubbles that like to hide and crease, especially I got this crease in the back. You gotta make sure you get that thing. Self-haircut challenge. Somebody call 360, Vic Blends, and all them. Tell them I can cut my own hair too. Don't call him. Don't call him. I'm just messing. Don't wait till you're done with a cut. If you're doing a bald head, don't wait till you're done with the whole cut to clean this out, right? Do half. Clean them out, spray them, go back to the head. And some people got hair that connect down here like me. So even when, no matter what haircut you're doing, whether you're doing a bald head, a bald fade, a taper cut, whatever, make sure y'all get that hair on the neck. Also, what? Never mind. Boy, somebody learn one transition, they want to do it in every video, don't they? I'm gonna stop. That's my last time doing that transition. It was just fun because I learned how to do it. But now that we got that out the way, let's get back to what I was doing in the video. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. You know the rest. I'm gonna give you a little quick review. And if y'all sat and watched that, that's pretty much my review. All right. But we're gonna start with the packaging of the Caliber 22 Stinger. If you've seen the unboxing, you know they got some decent accessories in the sense of Caliber and Gamma doing the face plates and stuff, so that's cool, right? So they was on the pre-order. Matter of fact, they was on the pre-order because they knew, right? I don't think they was out before I just got mine, but I'm not for sure. I'm not in that world of who gets what first, but I pre-ordered mine a little while ago. I think about I said I was gonna work on remembering prices, right? But I think they was about 139-ish. I put it in the last video and I still don't remember, so here it go. Right there. That's the price of the Caliber Stinger, 22 Stinger. This won't be a long review because y'all just seen me put in work with the Stinger for a bald head, right? It cut through thick hair perfectly, but I'm moving ahead of myself. Let's get back to the packaging, right? They was on pre-order, got them about a month after I pre-ordered them, which for pre-order is not long, but of course y'all know I don't really care for the pre-orders, but I understand business. You know what I'm saying? It's kind of smart to be like, we're gonna put this out that we bringing it out, and then let us see how many we need to order from somewhere or how many we need to make. No matter how the company get their clippers and trimmers, that's how it works. You get what I'm saying? So from a business standpoint, very smart. From me as a consumer, I don't like it, all right? But you get the 22 Stinger, you get the packaging. We don't have to go through all the packaging. If you've seen the unboxing, boom, flap, open. I do like that they got the accessories. I love the charging dock. Me personally, I didn't use the charging dock because I might need a bigger station because I have docks and trimmers and clippers everywhere. So I didn't actually use the charging dock, but it is cool that it's in there. So at first, you know, when you look at trimmers and stuff, you don't understand. Matter of fact, not at first. So they got, I'm moving ahead, all right? So it's cool they got the accessories, right? You get your oil, you get your screwdriver and stuff. I'm not understanding this in this clipper, right? For the simple fact of, there's no USB connector here, right? That's the dock. There's no USB connector there, all right? And then the charger, they also have a plug that connects to the back. So I don't understand the USB that came in that. If any of y'all, I might be blind to what it really is, but I don't see a reason to have, I mean, if they would have had like a USB right there above the regular plug, I would understand it, but. No. See what I mean? I don't look. I'm sorry. I should edit out everything I just said because if I just would have looked, I would have. But I'm going to keep it in the video. There it go. There you hook the USB. I don't like it on the back. Nah. But nah. We know what the USB for. This whole time, this whole week of using these trimmers, I have not seen that once. I watched my unboxing video over. I did not see that. That's besides the fact. So you get the package, you got the, you know, the flap, whatever. It's a pro lithium ion battery. You get 120 minutes of runtime. It still don't say how long it takes to charge. I'm guessing maybe an hour to 2 hours to charge. I put them on the charger overnight, so I wasn't able to time them per se. You get what I'm saying? But when I came in, full charge. So you get 2 hours of runtime. I'm really shook. I'm messed up on that USB. So bear with me for a second. You get more than 10,000 RPM, whatever, right? So you get the machine. This here, this 22 Stinger, this might be, as y'all know, I've reviewed a lot of trimmers that's cordless. I've used a lot of cordless trimmers. I'm not a fan of cordless trimmers myself because I'm still, these are my go-tos. That's just what it is. I do use the Babeless FX every now and then. I use them more as a balding clip or something like that, right? These might be my favorite cordless trimmers that I have used, right? Fresh out the box. I mean, right out the box. I'm gonna put a video right here, but right out the box, this whole week I haven't messed with the blade at all. This is the only trimmer that I got right out the box, and it get the job done, right? After a while, it does seem like, and I guess with that higher rotation, you gotta make sure that you oiling them and stuff. It do seem like after a while, not even after a while, it seems like you have to make sure you, I mean, with your clippers and stuff, you wanna make sure you oil them to keep them running anyway. But with these, it seems like you gotta make sure you oil them, right? That's my only flaw with these. You get these out the box, I'm talking about they cutting, they lining up, they not too sharp. So you get something like the detailers. When I got my pair, they say fresh out the box, ready to go. But when I got my detailers, they were too sharp, right? So when I got my detailers, the cordless detailers, they were just too sharp. So, you know, when you're trying to use them, I'm heavy-handed, so I got to make sure that I'm careful with what I'm using, right? But when you got these, I'm talking about, I mean, they was good. I haven't messed with this blade once. And y'all just seen me do my ball head with this same blade fresh out the box. This blade is perfect. I love that Japanese steel that they got. This blade is much better than the JRL. It's better, well, it's pretty much the same as the Gamma blade, but this machine to me is better than the Gamma Evos. All right. The Ergo clippers and these trimmers is a better combo than these with the 50 cal or the Ergos with the Evo. You get what I'm saying? This is a perfect machine. There's not really much I can say about them because I like them. The only thing that I didn't like is that they seem like they bog down quicker than some other trimmers, cordless trimmers that I use. Like the Babeless FX, it seems like I can just go. Of course, you oiling them, but it seems like you can go a little bit longer without making sure that you putting them drops of oil in them. You get what I'm saying? But these, it's like, you got to make sure that you oiling them. But once you oil them up, once you got them moving, they are moving. All right. So they good for cutting down bulk. These won't be my go-to lineup trimmers, only because I am a T-outliner fan. I don't think there's no trimmer, because once I get my T-outliners right, they're hitting. They're my go-tos. But I'm gonna replace these as my backups and my little finishing touches, my designs and my balding clippers with these. These will be in my arsenal. These are a go. If you're looking for a new trimmer, if you're looking for something to just try, if you're looking for a new cordless trimmer, make sure that you get these caliber 22 Stingers. These are my favorite trimmers, cordless, and of course this is just my opinion. When I do reviews, this is not to sway you in any direction. This is just to kind of tell you what's out there in all the world of clippers and trimmers, and we got new companies that want to pop up, blah, blah, blah. I'm just here to tell you that, boom, this is one of them top dogs. All right. So hopefully I got everything in here, because the reason I did it like this, I didn't really go into detail because I'm showing you with it. I was about to curse. I'm trying not to curse, but shit, with my ball head, I'm showing you how these work. All right, these are a great trimmer for lineup, great for getting out bulk. The blade is good. It holds the charge. That machine is perfect. The only thing I wish is it had some type of LED lighting on it. And when I first pulled them out the box, I thought they was, I mean, they are quiet, but they not as, and when I first pulled them out, I didn't think they was as quiet as they was saying they was, but they are. Especially, like, I be in here doing this on Sundays. You know, everything seems louder when nothing is going on. But a day in the shop, using these on kids, I used them on kids, they was perfect. That's it. 22 stingers to start off 2021 with all the ruckus going on. But in the barber world, to start off 2021 with the 22 stingers, I think you winning. Make sure you get you a pair if you want to try something new. All right, that's my opinion. If you like the video, thumbs up the video. If you dislike the video, thumbs down the video. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. All right, and I'll be back with another video sometime soon. Oh, and somebody told me that I should not do, I don't know who stayed through the whole video, but let me know if y'all, that I should keep my videos at 2 videos a week, or should I do just 1 video a week? Well, somebody told me that they can't keep up with all the videos. I didn't think I was dropping too much. I thought that's what I was supposed to do to kind of grow in the YouTube world, in the algorithm and all that stuff. So y'all let me know in the comments if I should go back down to 1 video or keep it at 2 videos a week. I'm Cuss by Reggie. Welcome to 2021 with the first official top dog and trimmers. Yeah.